Okay, so now we're in step 2 here. He's compounded, and now he's using Ducky Show Stopper. It's going to take out any left behind scratches that the compound would allow. So this would be a finishing product, and it's a showstopper. And we'll have one more step after this. We'll follow it with ultimate polish once all the interior is put in, just before it goes out the door to the customer. So we've got your, comes out of the mold, we've got your sanding, then we have our compounding, and now we have our polishing. Again, we're here at Nordic Boats in lovely Lake Havasu City, Arizona, where they now use Ducky compounds and polishes on all boat builds. So for that great look that the professionals get, you yourself can do this if you're handy with the wheel, using Ducky products.
You're on a video.